To set up WSL2, you'll need to update to a recent version of Windows 10 and join the Insider program. From the Insider program, you'll need to install an Insider preview. First, download and run the Windows Update Assistant. Next, open the Windows Insider program settings and link your account. If you aren't registered as an insider, you can do so now with your Microsoft account. You can now get WSL2 with the fast or slow ring updates. Confirm, and choose to restart later. Next, we want to turn some features on. Enable both Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Subsystem for Linux, then restart your computer. While you're waiting for your Insider preview to finish downloading, you can open the Microsoft Store to see what Linux distros are available. We recommend installing the latest version of Ubuntu to get started. You'll be asked to create a username and password when launching your Linux distribution for the first time. These have no bearing on your Windows username. Once your Windows 10 Insider preview has downloaded, your machine will need to restart again to complete the installation. Using your new Insider preview version of Windows, install WSL2 by opening PowerShell, which comes with Windows. Enter WSL-L to view the list of Linux distributions that you currently have installed. You must use PowerShell to set your Ubuntu installation to use WSL2. After entering the set version command, verify the change from WSL1 to WSL2 using the -v flag. When you reopen your installation of Ubuntu 18.04, it will be running WSL2. For more info, head here.